So this summer we have Camp Destination, which is Quest's summer program, and we have approximately 150 kids attending each day, and it's a very hands-on, innovative program that has activities for the kids. Some of them are here for up to 12 hours, but we have hour rotation, so that every hour they're rotating to something different, something hands-on and something that will keep their interest. The main objective of this program is really just to serve our families and make sure that their kids and our kids have a safe place to be in the summertime, and really to stop the summer slide. A lot of our kids, they go in the summertime, if they don't read or they don't participate in academic activities, some of their abilities will slide down a little bit. And so we want to just make sure that when they go into their next grade that they're just as good as they were when they left their previous grade, and even have a little bit more knowledge that they can build on as they move on.
At Camp Quest Destination, we have lots of classes. We have Kid Fit, Investigation Station, Totally Gross, Mighty Math. There's just so many different classes, and all the kids can come together and find something that they like. I think that coming to Quest is really impactful for the kids because they get to experience real life activities. So they don't come here to just learn academics. They do get that hidden in the curriculum, but they're learning something that they can take with them for their future life.
I would want to stay in camp than home because it's more fun and more to explore. In Kidzania, I found my career to be a veterinarian. I love animals. They're so cute.
I think that the Camp Destination really does fill a need in the community. We have a lot of parents that work year-round and really need the support for their students. And Mansfield ISD and Quest has a reputation for providing a safe and really innovative and hands-on program for the students. And so the parents know that they can trust us and know that their kids are having a lot of fun, they're learning, and that they're in a safe environment.